Yes friends, next video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. This question from Unit 1A of Intermediate Second Year friends, that is from Digestion and Absorption. So here the question is what friends? Describe the process of digestion of proteins in the stomach. Friends, digestion of proteins in the stomach. You have to concentrate on only the digestion of proteins friends. You know friends, stomach is a part of the alimentary canal. It has gastric glands. This gastric gland secrete gastric juice. Gastric juice is acidic in nature. This gastric juice has prorenin, pepsinogen, HCl, bicarbonates and caseal intrinsic factor. So this is about the gastric juice friends. But here you have to concentrate only on the digestion of proteins in the stomach friends. Okay friends, digestion of proteins in the stomach. Now come to our answer friends. Stomach has gastric glands friends. So gastric glands are present in the stomach. Stomach has gastric glands. These gastric glands secrete gastric juice. Now friends, gastric juice is acidic in nature. Once again friends, gastric glands are present in the stomach. These glands secretes gastric juice. Gastric juice is acidic in nature. This gastric juice contains what friends? See, HCl, prorenin and pepsinogen etc. Here etc. means what friends? Bicarbonates, caseal intrinsic factor etc. etc. But here you have to concentrate on these three. HCl, prorenin and pepsinogen friends. HCl, prorenin and pepsinogen. See friends, prorenin and pepsinogen are protein digesting enzymes. Prorenin and pepsinogen are protein digesting enzymes. But here they are what friends? They are inactive enzymes. Friends, whenever you hear the word prefix pro or suffix gen, it indicates inactive enzymes friends. So here we have pro, that is prefix prorenin, suffix gen pepsinogen. So prorenin and pepsinogen are what friends? They are the inactive enzymes. These inactive enzymes are also called as proenzymes friends. Inactive enzymes are proenzymes are same friends. Inactive enzymes are proenzymes. So what are the inactive enzymes secreted by the gastric glands? What are they friends? They are prorenin and pepsinogen. See friends, these inactive pepsinogen and prorenin in the presence of HCl converted into active enzymes. See friends, these prorenin and pepsinogen are the inactive enzymes. In the presence of HCl, you know gastric juice has HCl friends. In the presence of HCl, that prorenin and pepsinogen is converted into active enzymes friends. Now see friends here, pepsinogen inactive enzyme friends. In the presence of HCl converted into active pepsin. Friends, pepsinogen plus HCl gives rise to pepsin. What is the difference between pepsinogen and pepsin friends? Pepsinogen is inactive enzyme or proenzyme. Pepsin is active enzyme. How the inactive enzyme is converted into active enzyme? In the presence of HCl. But sometimes friends, pepsin also acts as autocatalysis. Pepsin converts the pepsinogen into pepsin. That is called as autocatalysis friends. Here please no need to write that autocatalysis here, but you have to remember friends, if an inactive enzyme is converted into active enzyme with the same enzyme is called as what friends? Autocatalysis. But here you have to remember how the inactive pepsinogen is converted into active pepsin with the help of what friends? HCl, hydrochloric acid. See friends, one more. Prorenin in the presence of HCl converted into renin. See friends, prorenin is a proenzyme or inactive enzyme. In the presence of HCl, it is converted into active renin. Now we'll see their function friends. Pepsin, what is the function of the pepsin? Pepsin digests the proteins into proteases and peptones friends. So pepsin digests the proteins into what friends? Proteases friends. Don't say A, O, this is proteases and peptones. See friends, proteins play pepsin, Proteins plus pepsin gives rise to proteases and peptones. Now come to renin, friends. Renin digests the milk protein, that is casein. Friends, name the protein present in the milk, that is casein, friends. For the digestion of milk protein, we require what, friends? An enzyme, that is renin. Renin digests the milk protein casein into calcium paracaseate and proteases. Once again, friends, renin is an enzyme which digests the milk protein. What is the milk protein, friends? Casein into what, friends? Into calcium paracaseate and proteases. See, friends, calcium paracaseate appears like what, friends? Curdling of milk. It is also called a curdling of milk. See, friends, renin plus casein. Here this is important, friends, for NEET and MCET. In the presence of calcium ions, which enzyme acts in the presence of calcium ions? That is renin. Renin, in the presence of calcium ions, converts the casein, that is milk protein, into calcium paracaseate and proteases. Now here we have what, friends? Calcium paracaseate. This calcium paracaseate in the presence of pepsin. Already we have pepsin, friends. Convert into what, friends? Peptones. See, friends, calcium paracaseate plus pepsin gives rise to what, friends? Peptones. Okay, friends. This is about the digestion of proteins in the stomach. Here I have given 1 or 2 NEET questions, friends. What is the pH of the gastric juice? 1.8. So it is always acidic in nature, friends, because it has HCl and it has 1.8 pH. So below 7, it is highly acidic in nature, friends. Proteases are complex than the peptones, friends. If you see the proteins, during digestion of proteins, we have peptones and proteases are the products, friends. So proteases are the complex than peptones. See, friends, sequence: proteins, proteases, peptones, polypeptides, tripeptides, dipeptides and amino acids. See, friends, from right to left, this is a complex difference. If you go to left to right, it is a simplicity, friends. Okay. Now, renin is present in infants only. Enzyme renin is not present in adults, friends. It is present only in the infants. Next, renin acts in the presence of calcium ions. Renin acts in the presence of which ions, friends? Calcium ions. This is about what, friends? Digestion of proteins in the stomach. Okay, friends. Okay. This is about our question, friends. Thank you, friends. Good day.